Critical work is happening by the Francis Scott Key Bridge ahead of reconstruction. The Maryland Transportation Authority started pre-construction activities about a month ago, which include data collection and surveys. WJZ is live. Casey Baylor is on your corner in South Baltimore, explaining why this is an important part of the rebuilding process. Casey.
Hey, good afternoon. Well, project engineers say demolishing a bridge is easier than building a new one, but before they can start demolition or construction, they first need to understand this surface and understand what materials they need to ensure this bridge has a strong foundation.
Pile driving, driving steel piles, you will hear some of the vibration.
It's the noise nearby residents could hear as the Maryland Transportation Authority works near Fort Armistead. Out on the water and on land by the Francis Scott Key Bridge are crews collecting critical information for the Key Bridge rebuild project.
The soil is going to have information about the capacity to hold weight, to withstand certain forces.
Maryland Transportation Authority Chief Engineer Jim Harkness says they're specifically gathering samples where new bridge piers could be installed. Harkness says there's an extra level of consideration when it comes to designing the new bridge in the same alignment as the old one.
You can see the spacing of the existing piers. Obviously, they have foundations underground. We have to avoid those.
All this data then goes to the design team, explaining what's needed to hold up the bridge. The work comes as Governor Wes Moore unveiled the new Key Bridge design Tuesday. The new structure allows the federal shipping channel to expand from 700 to 1,000 feet, and it raises the bridge by 45 feet to increase ship accessibility.
It's a good bridge for the span distance that we're crossing here, and it's also economical.
Now, project engineers say that the pre-construction activity happening now does not relate to demolition, but they did touch on it. We do know that demolition is expected to start this spring, and engineers say when that happens, crews will start to remove the roadbed first, and then they'll remove those piers. Reporting on your corner here in South Baltimore, I'm Casey Baylor for WJZ.